Hello, hello. Sorry if my audio is quiet. I'm trying to figure out my audio lately because I noticed that last video was not good. But today is 12 for 2023. It's the Monday of this week. It is a really good day. Great trading day for me. Um, I was a little impatient at first. I was looking for swings. That weren't really there. We had a major drop off in the pre market, reaching highs. So, we're getting our reversal, I think. Um, and I was looking for some swings, but caught none at first. I tried three times, and I really think I was impatient. So, hold on, my cat's coming over here. Hi, Pico. You want to come on up? Say hi. Okay. So yeah, I got impatient. I think I should have waited for better signals, but yeah, let's just take a look at the charts. Why not? So, um, this is our daily chart over on here on the left. We can see that we reversed down from this big move, right? On the 60 minute, we're dropping below. We hit below the EMA. I was watching the 5 minute early this morning. I actually watched this whole move happen to the downside. I wanted to see some bouncing around this area. We never got it. We broke down. And then we hit this 33% retracement down here, and we got a big bounce. And I was looking to long, expecting that we're going to reverse up eventually, um, and probably go up here somewhere because, I was figuring more of a trading range. But this move is really sharp to the downside. So I was kind of skeptical. I got impatient. Should really look for the A1 setups, right? But I eventually caught this swing down. I sold from here and exited here for a nice 90-point move, or 9-point move, not 90. So you can see in the beginning, let's take a look here. I was very hesitant on longing the market at first, but I saw some follow through buying past the EMA, and it made me think, okay, we're probably bouncing off of here today and going up. So I wanted to get in on a swing. Bought the contract here. Um, started reversing. I said, as soon as I see like a reversal signal, you know, I'm gonna be out of here. And that's what I got here. Like, I sold right here. Um, and it looks like I bought in on another stop above because it was looking strong again. So, um, yeah, like, I bought up here at a buy stop. We pushed up, headed back below here. I was like, okay, let me get out. Like, this isn't really it. Then we start going back up. I'm like, oh, okay, maybe we are getting that buying pressure. We didn't. I sold below here. I was like, okay, let me just wait. And then I started to see, okay, like we're probably going to get another leg down, you know. So I sold here. And then we started going down and we reversed up. So, I said to myself, you know what? I'm going to wait for further confirmation. And I think that's something I really have to practice because I was losing money all in here, you know, three scalps, you know, at a loss. But I knew if I caught one good swing, then I would have been good. Then I would have been, making up for everything, if not more. Right. So, um, was watching this market, failed here. I was thinking about getting short. I'm like, I'm gonna wait for another candle confirmation, couple more, right? We get this, and I'm like, okay, now if I put a sell stop below the breakout candle, then I really think that we're going lower. And that's exactly what happened. So let's take a look at what happened. So this was earlier. I had a demand zone. That's why I was thinking about buying. It's like, okay. We got to push down 50% of this move. Hold on, my friend Tammy's calling me. Hey, Tammy, I'm making a video. You want to say hi?
Oh my god, yeah. Hey, what's up, you guys?
Hold on.
That's a classic. The second the cameras go on. Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another one of Drew Roque's videos. I hope you're enjoying it so far. It's a little intermission reminding you to go out there and get some donuts today, right? Take a break, enjoy yourself. Let's have a good one. Woo!
I did good trading today. All right, I'll call you back.
Okay.
All right, I love you. Bye. All right, so I accidentally left the video on recording the portrait mode and not the desktop. So we're gonna just go to the desktop again, right quick, just showing you my trades. Let's just go right through it. After my call with Tammy, I forgot to hang up. So got in long above here. This wasn't a good signal for me to buy after, right? We got a bear candle after this micro channel, very strong trend down. This is probably going to be more of a pullback, but I saw follow through buying above the EMA, and I wanted to get long. But really, even this candle is 1, 2, 3 here. Candle 3 is not a good candle to buy above. Look, they're selling above. You know, like in hindsight, you know, I'll think about this in the future, right? So goes in the opposite direction. I'm keeping the stop loss tight. This is a better candle to buy above, but again, bear micro channel down. You know, I should have waited for a second signal. And, you know, this is what I'm talking about. I'm just very impatient. But, like, you know, I have a general sense of where markets can move. So we're rejecting, right? Said, okay, let me get in short here. But, you know, if I see this reversal coming in after this strong candle upward, then I'm going to be concerned. And that's exactly what we got. So I lowered my stop above here. I could have profited on a scalp down for maybe 30%, but you know, I'm trying to go for a swing and trying to give really room to other things. So I didn't like this reversal coming in. I'm like, all right, let me just watch and wait to see what happens. And I was thinking about increasing my size, but you know what? I'm just going to stick to my one contract. So I was looking to see if we'd get a follow through reversal here, but this candle right here, number 8, was a bad buy signal. We get number 9. It's an okay sell signal. But, you know, I want further confirmation. I don't want to keep losing on these trades. So I'm going to watch to see what happens. Putting my sell stop below here, below the breakout, and below the Globex low. I think I raise it to above this, like, you know, right at the low of bar 1. So this big bar is bar 1. So yeah, I'm thinking we're going to get a swing down. And we definitely did. And it was so satisfying watching that trade play out. Just watching this whole thing move up 70%, right? But overall, like, you know, even though I got this large point down to the downside, you can see I was stoked right here. I flipped on my camera here to give a thumbs up. But even though, like, you know, I had this nice move to the downside, it was 90% that I profited. I still broke even on the day because I had impatient scalps, like impatient losses. Right? So yeah, I could have scaled in more on this trade too, to guarantee some more profit. But you know, this is my first time really swinging. like allowing like everything to kind of do its move. This pullback made me nervous, but again, this is a bear flag at the profit taking level. I'm not too concerned. We made another low here, and so that's why I lowered my stop. We started bouncing around here. I didn't like to see that, so I started tightening up my areas, and I was thinking about closing. Right, I didn't like that. I said, you know what, 95, 90%, that's good enough for me. I'm not going to risk, this market pulling back more and eventually maybe getting a bigger bounce. So let's see how the market did. Yeah, so it did bounce from here, right? But I don't think we're going to go up much higher. We might go much higher because again, this is a large trading range. So overall, very happy on my swing. Gonna end it there because this is like my third time recording this because I've been messing it up. Um, so yeah, I'm gonna hit the gym. Gonna hang out. Gonna watch the market. I might take another trade. I'm gonna try to maybe catch another swing if I can. Um, but you know, very happy with myself, very happy with my trade. Again, just got to work out the things I'm not doing right, and that's being impatient. Look for the A1 setups. I'm just being impatient, you know. And I mean, really looking at it, if I were to look at these trades again, this is not a good candle to buy above, you know. And this one was okay. But still, I should have waited for, at least 8 candles to form, right? So maybe I'll just get up later during the day. But yeah, all right. Bye. Love you. Bye.